Oh, we've got yellows in the bottom corner. Oh, is that Gajser? Wow, Gajser is down, I think. And we had Jens Martins had a big moment there and a big crash in a European race. Of Gajser scrubbing in the passe. He doesn't know where he is. Look, he has no clue where he is. And Gajser, is he being off again? Wow. Or is he just circulating? Well, he definitely stalled it, so whether he's been off again or what, but yeah, he's rocking the bullet helmet, but definitely not bulletproof, is he? But he is definitely made of rubber.